A common question that we often get asked here at KUTAVAR is what's the difference between the standard Powermax range and the new Powermax Sync range? The main difference is the consumables. On the original Powermax range, you have 5 separate consumables per head, whereas on the Sync system, it comes as one cartridge consumable. Within the 5 separate consumables on the original Powermax, you have the shield, the retaining cap, the nozzle, the electrode and the swirl ring. On the new Sync systems, all 5 consumables fit into one cartridge, making it a lot easier to change your consumables and measure your consumable life. In connection with the costs on each consumables, the Sync cartridge sits at around about £45 retail price, whereas the original consumables come in individual packs, making the overall cost slightly higher and harder to manage. One of the advantages of the Sync system is that when you change the cartridge, it will automatically detect on the plasma unit what cartridge amperage you have put on. The Sync system also offers an app where you can track your pierce life on each cartridge. If you have any further questions in connection with the original Powermax range or the new Sync system, please get in contact with us and we can run through what unit will best suit you and your cutting needs.